Hey everybody, my name is Ariel, and I was created by artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make unique talking avatars by using a few tools that are easy to use. Generate different characters with natural voices. The possibilities are limitless. I'm going to show you how to make your own talking avatar, so let's get started.
In this video, I will show you how to create and find this AI character for your videos. So we will head to this site called lexica.art. Now this site is similar to Midjourney, but in Midjourney you have to go to a Discord server where you have to type prompts which are just like codes, but this lexica is very easy to use and find. You just need to do a Google type search here, like I need to find a portrait image of Nikola Tesla, so I will just write here Nikola Tesla and press search, and it will find hundreds and hundreds of images that have been already generated by someone, and we can choose. Since this is my favorite, I will use it. And you can also choose some different images like this one if you have to do some video in which angry Tesla portrait you need to choose, or this one. There are many good images that you can choose. So here I will choose this, and you will find various versions. See, this one is also very good, so you can choose this. You can open this, or this one you can choose, and you can open this in a new tab. Just you need to save this on your PC or Mac, and this will be ready to use. In this video, I will show you how to use did.com to create AI speaking human videos. So when you will land into this dashboard after sign up, you will see this button called create video. You have to click this, and there are various AI characters which you can choose from, but we will choose our, which is these images. So I will upload the images that we have downloaded from lexica.com. Then here we will paste the audio. There is an option to add the script, but their voices are not so realistic. So it is best advised that you should upload your own voice that was generated from ElevenLabs. So after that, this generate button will be active, and you will just need to click this generate button, and it will show how many credits it will use. It is using like 1 credit, and we will click this generate. Now it will take only few seconds. Yes, the video is now ready. And
I don't care that they stole my idea. I care that they don't have any of their own.
wow, this is so cool.
I don't care that they stole my idea. I care that they don't have any of their own.
Now we can create some more versions. Maybe we can test and upload the other image. and again we can choose the audio here. Then we can press this generate. Now as you can see, the video is ready.
I don't care that they stole my idea. I care that they don't have any of their own.
Wow.
I don't care that they stole my idea. I care that they don't have any of their own.
Now you just need to press this download button and this video will be there on your computer.